It's Cherish, the Messy Painter. I am back with a flip cup. I have decided to start a series where I have my morning coffee and I do a flip cup. This is what I started off doing at the beginning of this journey almost 9 years ago. And so I figured I might as well go back to my basics and do a couple flip cups. I'd like to do one at least once a week and just have fun with paint. Sometimes I will be using leftover paints and sometimes I will be using paints that I will be able to let you know what they are. But I will always start with my coffee and enjoy the process of the flip cup, my favorite kind of painting, instead of just doing all experiments or doing what's on trend. So here I go. I have my coffee. I'm actually going to use some colors inspired by this coffee mug. This was a really great couple that I met at a craft fair, and this was actually one of his reject mugs, which I thought was great. So it was at a discounted price, and I'm always here for a discount. So I love the blues. There's a little bit of purple and there's a green in this. So I'm totally ready. My colors today are, my base color will be Silver by Creative Inspirations, mixed with this little Piggies, which I'm having a blast playing with, and I will show you those colors. So I have Ore, I have Nebula, and I have Sara, if I'm saying that right. And then my regular paint for acrylic paint will be Creative Inspirations Dioxazine Violet. So I have those three colors. Now, I have been toying with the idea of whether or not I would put in one more color. So I decided to go with this green. This is my own mixed green. This is Mermaid, Ore, and a tiny little bit of Macaw, all mixed together. And it created this really cool color. I'm having fun with these Piggies and blending and just having fun with my own imagination with these. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add all of these colors into my flip cup and I'm gonna get going. Wish me luck. It's not too much of a mess, but at least I'm gonna have some fun. Okay, what I've decided to do is I really like this gold right here. So I'm actually going to add some silver and see if I can keep that area.
To the wild, I
Okay, I love it. And I would like to point out that there's like no blue in it now. So that nebula is kind of like a dark midnight blue, but it's showing up right here and a little bit here and just a little bit right there. And I love it. I have been gravitating more and more towards purple, but that ore from this little piggy right here, that completely stole the show. Oh, I really, really love it. I am excited to see what this looks like dry. I'm gonna definitely go move this to my drying table and finish my coffee, and I cannot wait. I really hope this turns out as pretty as it looks now. I'm slightly concerned that the silver I used as a base is a little bit translucent, so maybe that might have been a bad mistake, but I'm gonna wait and see how it dries, and then I'll panic then. But for now, I love it. All right, see you guys in a couple seconds. Okay, it is the next day and this painting is already dry. I'm amazed. I had no idea that it would dry that fast. Maybe it's the temperature, maybe it's the weather, or maybe it's what I put in my base paint. And I will show you right now. I used the Creative Inspirations Polymer, Gloss, Medium, and Varnish. I think this is what helped the painting dry so fast. And I also think this is what created this gorgeous shine in this silver paint, which was also Creative Inspirations. Look at that shimmer. I am so thrilled with how this ended up drying. The gold is amazing, everything is amazing, and I haven't even varnished it yet. So after I varnish it, we can imagine how much prettier and shinier this is going to be. So I'm gonna have to play around with that medium again, because this is just too cool. And I love that I did a flip cup that I haven't done in a while, so I'm gonna do more of those. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. I will see you all in the next project, and fingers crossed that I can do this again, because this is gorgeous. And honestly, if you're not already subscribed, thank you for watching anyways, but it's free, so please hit that thumbs up and that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Hi everybody. Whoa. Try that again. For sure. And because of the polymer clay, oh my god, it's not polymer clay. Project, I'm going to be doing more of these coffee and flip cups. So hit that thumbs button. Jeez.